Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Vena vArmor graphite gray case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is actually a holster and a kickstand. So we'll get to all of that right now. So here's the design of the case. This is the holster part and the kickstand part. We'll show that in just a moment. Here's what's inside the case, what it looks like that. Covers your camera cluster up here. You get button covers, volume covers, and every cutout that you need for charging. And this part covers your charging port, so you can actually keep that safe from dust entering, but it still has the speaker and microphone ports open. It has the edge protection, as you can see, all the way around. So that's the case part. And then when the phone is in the holster part, which is this part right here, this sits like this in landscape mode, and you can watch shows or do Zoom meetings or whatever you need to in that mode. And then here's the belt clip, and this belt clip can rotate. So you get that nice satisfying click, and then this goes into the belt right there. So if you want a slightly larger case to protect your phone with a nice look to it, it's a pretty quick release right there. And there's edge support protection while it's in the holster too, so that's nice. If you knock into something while you're walking, I've had that happen before, where this piece wasn't here and the phone would just fall right out. So this holster has that, and it has the feature where you can use it as a kickstand as well. This is from Vena, and this is the vArmor case holster kickstand option. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.